Welcome to my video about cucumber salad. What we have here is cucumber growing in the garden. Another one there, so. And we have here a bumblebee pollinating the flowers in the garden. And it's our essential worker. Then you have the garlic powder, the Italian seasoning, the black pepper, lemon pepper, onion powder, salt, red pepper flakes. You have to sprinkle them there in the seasoning. We have red onion here and I'm soaking them there to get the bite out the onion. Cherry tomatoes from the garden, fresh. You have cilantro we slice up, dill, them little trees there. Chop up everything and you dash it there on the cucumber. Let them soak in there for a little bit. Then we have here is the vinegar mix about a week old. You have cucumber from the garden, onions from the garden, rosemary from the garden, dill from the garden. Soak it there for about a couple of days with white distilled vinegar. Let it sit and marinate. What it do there is take out all the juices from the plant them and infuse the water. Then you pour the drink mix in there on the cucumber salad. Then you season it to about taste. But what you do here is you put a teaspoon of everything if you don't know what taste is. You put the cherry tomatoes on there. You put the red onions. You put everything in there and you shake it vigorously with the mixture. And if you really want it special, you have to season it with the cherry tomatoes. Put the seasoning on them also and then put that in the mixture when you season it. And it's going to taste good. Then what you do here is you put the rest of the cucumber on there and shake it about. Then you put that vinegar mixture that we make in there. Soak it to about 3/4 of the depth of the pan. And then shake it. See, everything here has been mixed already. And it is delicious and healthy for you. Enjoy it.